ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listener, this is your RJ Manoj Mukharia and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar. Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha and Kausalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 1456 I repeat again, 1456 Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. As you know, Shloka will improve concentration and memory, reduces stress, calm them down and learn values. Like that, today we have here Mrs. Sathyachari to present her Shloka. So now it is over to Mrs. Sathyachari.
Hello friends, my name is Satya, oldest member of NMT, joined in 2014. I will start with my favorite god Hanuman Shlokam, which is called Bhima Rupi Shlokam. It has 16 stanzas, only 8 I will recite. ಭೀಮರೂಪಿ ಮಹಾರುದ್ರ ವಜ್ರ ಹನುಮಾನು ಮಾರುತಿ ಮನಾರಿ ಅಂಜನಿ ಸೂತ ರಾಮದೂತ ಪ್ರಪಂಚನ ಮಹಾಬಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಣದಾತ ಸಕಲ ಊಟಲಿ ಬಳೆ ಸೌಖ್ಯಕಾರಿ ದುಃಖಹಾರಿ ದೂತ ವೈಷ್ಣವ ಗಾಯಕ ದೀನನಾದ ಹರಿರೂಪ ಸುಂದರ ಜಗದಂತರ ಪಾದಾಳ ದೇವತಾ ಹಂತ ಭವ್ಯ ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಲೇಬನ ಲೋಕನಾದ ಜಗನ್ನಾದ ಪ್ರಾಣನಾದ ಪುರಾಧನ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತ ಪುಣ್ಯಶೀಲ ಪಾವನ ಪರತೋಷಿಕ ಧನದಾನ ಪಶುವೃತ್ತಿ ಪುತ್ರ ಪೌತ್ರ ಸಮಗ್ರಹಿ ಭಾವತಿ ರೂಪ ವಿದ್ಯಾತಿ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಪಾಠೆ ಕರುಣಿಯ ಭೂತ ಪ್ರೇತ ಸಮಂತಾಹಿ ರೋಗ ವ್ಯಾಧಿ ಸಮಸ್ತಹಿ ನಾಸದಿ ತೂಟತಿ ಚಿಂತಾ ಆನಂದೇ ಭೀಮದರ್ಶನೆ ಹೇದರ ಪಂದರ ಶ್ಲೋಕೆ ಲಬಾಲಿ ಶೋಭಳಿ ಪರಿ ದೃಢದೇಹೋ ನಿಶ್ಚಂತೇಹೋ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ಚಂದ್ರಕುಲಾಗಣೆ ರಾಮದಾಸಿ ಅಗ್ರಖನು ಕಪಿ ಕುಲಾಸಿ ಮಂಡನು ರಾಮರೂಪಿ ಅಂತರಾತ್ಮ ದರ್ಶನೆ ದೋಷನಾಶತಿ ಇತಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮದಾಸಕೃತ ಸಂಕಟ ನಿರಸನಂ ಮಾರುತಿ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಂ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣಂ. After seeing the video sent by Mr. Ravindran, one Mr. Guru Shivananda getting award for yoga in his 125th year. So I thought of sharing my experience in yoga. I started my yoga practice at the age of 60. Now I am 81. Still I do yoga. In yoga there are many asanas. To my knowledge, pranayama and Surya Namaskar are the best. Pranayama helps in breathing and cleans the respiratory system. Surya Namaskaram helps in body flexibility and for the joint. So they say those who have joint pain should not do it. But when it is practiced, the pain will go. Every year on Ratha Saptami day, we do 108 Surya Namaskar. Till last year I was doing 108. This year I could not. only I did 54. In my younger age, yoga was not familiar. Daily I do 24 to Surya Namaskar and some asanas which my yoga teacher teaches. Yoga is the best medicine for mind and body. Some exercise taught by Miss Swati is also coordinated with yoga. I love yoga. After seeing the video, I also thought of reaching that stage. Haha. Thank you, friends, for listening to my talk. I also thank NMT for organizing radio program for elders. Bye.
Thank you, Mrs. Satyachari, for sharing. We loved these slokas. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiriyara Vani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Airline toll free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.